Next, we're going to look at the median as a measure of central tendency, where what the median does is it just takes the data you have and finds the middle. This is one that requires very little math, as it were. So what you do is you take your data set and you put it in ascending order, or descending for that matter, but traditionally it's least to greatest, and you work your way down to the middle. If you're thinking about this in the elementary school way, you probably first saw it. You would go in and cross out the ends until you work your way down to that value that's stuck in the middle of the whole set, and that's the median. Where if you have an odd number of values, then the median is just that middle number. And then if you have an even number, so you got two stuck in the middle, the median is the mean of those two values in the middle. So for an example to understand this, we're going to look at the school children heights again, where if we want to work with this as our example here, what we can do is start by putting the values in ascending order: 43, 44, 44, 46, 46, 48, 49, 54, and 168. And then we're just going to work our way to the middle here, where we notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. So we're just going to be able to take the one that is dead in the middle, and if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, you can cross your way down to get all the way into the middle for a value of 46, which tells us that the median is 46. But let's say, for the sake of argument, that the surveyor realized that he messed up and that 168 is meaningless for the data set. He tossed it out. Well, if you were going to toss out that value 46, you would look at your middle in here of 8, go to that middle 2 in here, and see that your median is the mean of 46 and 46. So it's still just 46. And that's the nice thing about the median. It's why a lot of times you'll see people use a median value instead of a mean when they're looking for an average, because if you've got all the points, the median is fundamentally guaranteed to land in the middle. It might not be the most useful middle. There are some cases where you can get into trouble, but you're always going to be in the middle with the median. And even if you have a couple of values that are way too high or way too low, they're in some way unusual, the median immediately discounts those and heads straight to the center. So that's the nice thing about it in particular. Not just that you don't have to do a whole lot of math here, but also that it really isn't affected at all by outliers. It's always going to land where it's supposed to.